In this video, we'll show you how to swap your crypto to another cryptocurrency on stake account. So, for example, you have got different cryptocurrencies on your stake account and you want to swap them. I will show you what you need to do. You need to log into your stake account, then you need to click the wallet in the top, and right here in this menu, you need to select swap crypto. So in the top, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to swap. For example, I have got 6 cents on my Litecoin wallet, so I will choose Litecoin. And in the bottom, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to convert crypto to, guys. For example, I will convert my Litecoins to USDT. Right here, we need to enter the amount in USD. As you can see, I have got available 6 cents. So we'll write 6 cents, but there's a minimum value, which is $1.03. If I have this amount, I can click on preview and swap my Litecoins to USDT wallet. And after that, I can check my USDT wallet right here when I click on my balance in the top. So that's how we can exchange, swap cryptos on stake. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.